Good afternoon, everybody. This afternoon, I'm going to build for you the 180-degree opposing angles with pinch tips. This is the pattern that you can download from popupbooks.com. This is the book, The Elements of Pop-Up. So this piece is from the Elements of Pop-Up. This is the actual piece right here. So this is 180-degree opposing angles with pinch tips. What the pinch tip does is give this edge a little bit of a contour, and you can add more pinches, you can add more pieces onto it, so that the contour, really exaggerates. This is the basic one right here. That's the angle fold with a pinch tip. And just to go back and review a little bit, this is the basic angle fold, and you can see right here that this angle fold just is a straight line here. So this is the shape and the form of this, and with this, the pinch tip will change that. Here's an example. Also, we did this earlier. This is the 180-degree tent, and this shows, here, this is the straight edge right here. And this is the closed tent, which has the same thing, has pinch tips, and you can see now that that shape has given we've given that top edge a contour like this a little bit. That's what that pinch tip does. So here we are. These are the pieces. Here's your base page. These pieces are a little bit different from each other. One is a little bit larger than the other. You can see that. Okay, the larger piece goes on top, and the first thing you want to do is do that pinch tip. That's the pinch tip right there. So there's your angle fold. This would be a normal angle fold if that line continues straight through. But now we put a second angle right here, and what's going to happen is when that closes, you can see what it does to that contour right there. Okay, so first thing I do is glue that. There's this one. I'm going to squeeze that tight and let that glue together. This is the second one. Same thing here. That's the basic angle fold. This is the pinch tip where you put a new angle on there. And that actually creates a little glue tab for you too. So there's the glue tab. I'm going to fold that together, put a little bit of glue on the tab here. And some nice pressure on those tips, so those tips glue, because there'll be a little bit of stress on this fold now. So you want to make sure those little tips are glued together really well. Okay, so the first one I'm going to do is the top piece. That slots in here. This is the larger of the two pieces. That glued in place. This is the second one. And you can see these two angle folds, the basic structure, are working in opposite directions. So you'll see what happens here in a minute. It's kind of fun. Okay, to get those two pieces glued nicely, let them get a nice fiber bond going. Okay, now you have this, and oh, look, we have a little problem there. That piece, that line should meet up to the center. I'm going to reglue this one. Need to push it closer. So once again, all on angle folds like this, you want everything, you want all the lines to meet at the apex of the gutter right there. That's important to have that meet right at that little point. I had it about 1/8 of an inch off, or a millimeter, if you will. Okay, there we go. Now, once again, with the pop-up closed, I'm going to put a little bit of glue here, a little bit of glue here, let those two pieces find their own position. Hold it for a good 30 seconds or so. It's a good pressure on that. We get a fiber bond going. When we open, we should have stick. Needs to glue more because these pinch tips create a nice bit of tension in the structure, so you really want to get things glued together well. Tight. I'm going to work it from the top here a little bit. There we go. And so those two opposing angles move together, and it looks like a mouth. And that didn't glue very well. Anyway, get a good amount of pressure on your glue points. Make sure they're good and glued together at least 30 seconds, and you'll do well. This is an example of that in action. This is from my book, Love Bugs, and this is about one thing I have no doubt: the love bug will bite you if you don't watch out. And you can see right here, the basis of this pop-up is that pinch tip angle fold right there. And of course, angle folds create movement. So this is all about simple movement here. Anyway, there you go. The pinch tip angle fold.